Hello and welcome to my latest video, which is the Christmas bunny. As you can see here, I have masked the area where I don't want my wash to go on. I hope you're enjoying this music. It's a sonata that I've downloaded online. Very calming. So I'm wetting the background with water, adding ultramarine blue to the wash, and then moving it around. A little bit of cerulean blue. My salt, kosher salt. So I'm going to put this on, let it dry, then remove it. A little bit of table salt, because it's different sizes of minerals. Now everything has been removed, including the masking fluid. You can see that the salt has left a texturous background, which I want it to look like stars, or even snowflakes. Now I'm using Payne's Gray to indicate shadow of snow. Now I'm using the same Payne's Gray to indicate the shadow of the Snow White bunny. Everything is dry at this point. Now I am going in with ultramarine blue and adding it closer to the bunny to create that cast light of his back and for his ears and face and body. Adding some more salt in that area. Doing this in real time, you can actually see the salt absorbing the pigment. Now comes for the best part, in my words, is the pen and ink one. As we're getting closer to the end of the video, just wanted to say to you guys, this has been a pleasure. I hope you try this at home and give it to a loved one for Christmas. As well, please like and subscribe and click on the notification button so you'll know when I upload other images. The bunny looks very cute.